Hi everyone, Scott Smith, Rusnak BMW in sunny Southern California. Look what I have here. New generation 2016 BMW 740i. Now the one thing I can tell you right off the bat, this thing's got the M Sport package with the Motorsport Division designed 20-inch wheels on it, so check that out. Let's go to the front here. Now guys, we call it the 740i, or there's the 750xi. They're all one wheelbase now, the longer wheelbase from the previous generation. They're calling them I's. So the L is gone and the short wheelbase is gone. As you can see here, it's a complete new modified front end. Got the LEDs, the whole lower part of the bumper, and the iconic kidney grills, which are actually functional. They're called active kidney grills. So they do have slots in there that will close it off if it's okay and doesn't need any engine cooling for better coefficient of drag, better efficiency. Let's move over to the side. You can see down here we still have the wheel well diffuser vent. Also, we've nicknamed that nice black line and vent the hockey stick. It's pretty cool looking. Breaks up that lower part of the car. Hey, who's in the window there? It's Trish. Let's do a little rev time on the 6-cylinder engine. Doesn't sound too bad, does it? Yeah, they put a little throttle on that thing. Let's go underneath the hood. Now it is a 3-liter inline 6 turbocharged, and we've got 315 horsepower, 330 foot-pounds of torque. The car is now 0 to 65.4 through BMW. Previous generation was at 5.6. Also, one thing about the dimensions of the vehicle, it's virtually the same as the previous generation long wheelbase. I think all dimensions are within an inch of each other. So the great, nice, long leg room in the back of the rear seat, plenty up front. We'll get to that in just a minute. All right, hey Trish.
Hi guys.
How
How's
you doing?
everyone doing?
Doing great.
Good.
Let's go to the trunk. Let's show back there. All right, guys. There we go. Got the power rear tailgate. As you can see, there is a pass-through, guys, and obviously the mats are included. It's one of our first ones to come in. Great space. You do have storage on both sides. All right, let's close that up and let's go to the back seat, Trish. Let's do that. Okay. Now Trish is 5'9" without the heels. So as you can see, the door opens really wide, easy for the ladies to get in. And the seat was up front, was very comfortable for her, so she's got plenty of leg room in the back. She can even cross her legs. See? No problem. Cool. Hey Trish, how about that center console?
All right, so you can see it's a little bit different of a look here. We have a very streamlined feel, you know, your usual stuff that you're used to seeing in the previous model. It's just a different look for it.
Yeah, and the chrome accents is really nice.
Yeah.
Great. And then the guys on the door, you can see here, whole new design, really nice wood. You've got some extra storage there. Also, the car does have dual moonroofs, huh, Trish? Let's show that right there.
So you can see the front one here. Here's the...
So you got lots of light. It is tinted for protection.
We have mirrors back here.
Oh, nice. And then one thing we mentioned too, guys, you do have a lighting mechanism here, which is really cool, which you can turn on, you know, during the night. It's really nice soft light. So great, Trish. Let's go up to the front. And while Trish is getting in the front, I'm going to go over the sticker real quick, guys. Okay. There we go. Might focus in and out, guys, but go ahead and pause it whenever you have a chance. There's a lot of the information for you, just so you can see what's standard on the car, what's additional, like the M Sport package, executive packages on here. We do have the display LED key, which is really cool. I just don't have it with the vehicle right now. We have those on lockdown so they don't walk away. A very cool key, and I will show that in the future. As you can see here, there's your mileage that you have on the 6-cylinder, and built in Germany. Cool, guys. Let me get inside. I'll get with Trish. Let's show you a couple things here real quick on the driver's door. As we can see now, the trunk button is now out here, easier to get to than where it used to be at the bottom of the A-pillar. You'll see that we have a lot of contrast buttons, easy to see, easy to control. even with this button here, you can move the passenger seat in case you like it forward or farther back for looking over your shoulder, see if someone's over on the side of the vehicle. Obviously your memory, and then this one does have the massaging seats, which is really cool. We actually have 8 different massage settings you can pick from now. So, and it is the full amount of the seat, the back and the bottom, where our previous generation was on the lower extremities. And you can see up here, guys, you got the lockout for the rear windows, your rear shades, windows, mirrors. Also a really nice design on the speakers now, very fluid. And then Trish, can you open up the storage compartment right there? There we go. As you can see, it's easier to find. It's nice and soft inside in case you put your sunglasses. Great, I'm gonna head over to the other side. Also, there's your Harman Kardon. And we've got the soft closed doors. Now with the M Sport package, you'll notice we still get that nice shadow line exterior. Get some amazing rear lights, a whole different rear bumper with that rear diffuser, some awesome looking M Motorsport Division designed 20-inch wheels. And you saw the front end earlier. All right, Trish. Now guys, this is an overview video. I'll be diving deeper into more of these features and systems, especially the more advanced stuff, in other videos to come.
Yeah. So this is my very first time in our new 7 Series, so I am experiencing it with all of you as well. So, you know, Scott's going to do most of the talking. I'm just in complete awe. I mean, this is absolute innovation at its finest. It's everything that everyone has been wanting in a vehicle. They really outdid themselves with the technology, the fluidness of everything. First, we're going to show you guys how great the new iDrive system is.
5.0.
5.0, yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, before we would get a lot of questions, is this touchscreen? Well, now it is, and you can see how responsive it is. You can zoom in and out here on the touchscreen. And you can still use the touchpad that the previous model offered down here, but this just gives you a really interactive feel for it.
Nice. And then what about the controls down here?
So this is my absolute favorite. Now what they've done here is they've made this, you know, really similar to what we're used to using in today's technology-driven world. So you can see here you have your seat coolers, and now it's just a simple touch of a button, and you can see just, you know,
really nice screen, good color.
This is all touch, and then this is a really neat feature that they've added. I mean, why hasn't anyone come up with this sooner? You have fragrance, so you have, I believe, 8 different fragrances that you can choose. They snap right into the glove box, and you know, you can decide what your vehicle smells like with the touch of a button instead of getting those funky little hanging things. And so this is just absolutely amazing. Of course, you have your seat warmers here, and you turning up and down your fan speed. So.
But what a nice chrome look too. Just the shininess of it, just a lot different than our previous cars. We still have the short keys, is that correct? Yeah,
yep, short keys here, and they still do show you what is under each one before you press it. It's just a lot more streamlined than what we've ever seen before.
And guys, right here, it's really nice. You can just put your Bluetooth phone right up to that symbol, and the car will grab it and Bluetooth. So it's really nice, easy and quick to do, and you can have many phones connected, and I think we can have 2 synced at the same time. And then if you remember from the older BMWs, we had the blue and the red. Now that's actually touchscreen basically for your personalized vents. Very nice. One thing to show you here too, guys, the nice beautiful wood. Also more chrome accents with the metal, and then also the leather sewn dash. And then we do have our display screen, which is nice. And if Trish, you want to push different buttons for Sport and Eco Pro, you guys can see this thing change up. You can see there,
Eco Pro changes the whole coloring system.
Then you go back to Comfort. Let's try that one. That's Eco, and then go the one right in the middle there. That's Sport. And then let's go.
Oh, Comfort.
Yeah,
there we
and
go.
then there's your Comfort setting. That's what's going to come out when you start up the car. And then look at the steering wheel now. Completely different. Definitely. Really nice look. And the guys, the drive is phenomenal. You need to get in and take it out for a test drive.
Yeah, if you guys have driven previous model 7 Series, this is absolutely worth test driving. It's a new experience. They've just It's incredible.
And one thing else too, guys, we do have carbon core technology in here. So they have replaced some of the inner frame pieces with carbon fiber, which is 50% lighter than steel, but stronger than steel. This car, the 740, is over the previous generation has saved about 125 pounds. So really nice. Lowers the center of gravity for more performance and efficiency. So cool, Trish. Thanks a lot.
Yeah,
definitely.
One thing to mention too, this car does have Wi-Fi, so they're giving the people what they want. It's incredible. Now is the time to buy. If you guys have considered maybe getting a 7 Series or jumping into a pre-owned BMW or a new BMW, it's never been a better time. Check out the link in Scott's bio. You can click right there, shoot him an email. I'm sure he'd love to hear from you.
Cool. And then also, guys, we do have the wireless charging here for some of the newer phones. And also, if you do get the LED display key, you'll be able to put it right in here and it'll charge the key. Also, you can see obviously USB charging, and we have USB up front. So cool, Trish. Let's go ahead and get on outside. We'll show them another look. Guys, this was an overview video of the new 7. So I will be diving deeper into more technology in other videos to come. So cool. Thanks, Trish.
Bye, guys.
Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, if you need anything, please go to the About section of my channel. If you got any BMW enthusiasts, please share this video with them. Bye-bye.